Hello, I just did a gun review on the ak74u, but I had a very crappy firing test since you couldn't see the BBs from my porch to my tree. So I will show you a firing test on a flimsy cardboard box. You might not be able to see the BBs, but I will show you the damage after my test. First I will shoot on semi-automatic. Semi-automatic with a crazy hop-up. Now no hop-up. Now full automatic. Now I will show you full automatic with a hop-up. 1 second, let me just wind up my mag.
You don't want to mute the extension, it's in the back of the garage.
Okay, I will start firing now. Now I will just show you the damage on the box. Well, as you can see, it kind of just put holes through the whole entire box. There's a ton of BBs left in it. Tore through the front and the back. Basically almost shot out the circle of the box. Showed that guy's hands right there. Now on the inside of the box, it just went right through the front, through the back. Thank you for watching, and please subscribe to my channel.